So the toilet bathroom rug comes wrapped up in a plastic package like this. Let's get it open. So right away, I'm really impressed with how soft this feels. I love these gigantic little rug pieces. They're just really nice and soft and very thick, each one. You can see it's got the U-shaped cutout for the toilet right there and squared edges on the other side. The bottom has a nice sticky material that's gonna be nice for keeping it in place inside of a wet bathroom. You can see it's 100% polyester. You can machine wash it, but you should dry it in the shade. And it says it's 20 inches by 24 inches. Let's make sure. So by my calculations, its width is actually about 20.5 inches by right on the dot at 24 inches. Let's go throw this into the bathroom and see how well it absorbs water and how it feels on the feet. Okay, here we go. Looks really nice next to the toilet here. I've got pretty long legs, so I'm glad I went for the longer version of this towel because now my feet actually stay on the whole thing when I'm sitting down. And it's really nice and comfortable and warm. Gonna be great for those cold mornings. Let's check out something else that's also important because it's next to my shower over here. Let's see how well it absorbs water. You can see it looks like it soaked it right up with those large rug fibers, and that's great. I'm sure that will just air dry out and it'll be all good. So I'm happy with this toilet bath mat, and I think you will be too.